Yung guitarist ko.
Si Ellie.
Si Teddy Diaz.
Yes.
Somebody told me you're unhappy, but it doesn't show.
Woo!
Somebody told me you don't want me no more. So you're walking out the door. Nobody told me you've been crying every night. Nobody told me you've been
Asan yung basket? Ipasa niyo na yung basket.
Ay, galing ng lead guitar, oh.
Grabe. Ang ipasok ng drums, dali. I hate you, Joel.
Sino nga ba yung ano? Yung singer na may sombrero gano'n?
Si Justin daw.
Hindi, local lang, local.
Uy, Chris,
Nanalo
ano?
ng ano, nanalo ng...
Sino yun? Si ano, yung boyfriend ni Katrina Halili. Si Chris Lawrence.
Ha?
Chris Lawrence. Chris Lawrence. Woo! Binata na si AJ! Woo! Uy, yung nagigitara. Focus naman. Na!
Sapa.
Practice na ba to? Woo! Si Ellie. Ay, joke. Warm up lang ba yun?
Ladies and gentlemen, this next song is entitled Because of You.
Uy, para kanino yan?
Paolo.
Para kanino yan? Dedicated to whom?
And you wonder since I met you, I'm not the same. You're mine in everything you do.
Sabi ko na lumapit.
Juve? Yeah.
Woo! Woo!
Sino ba na gano'n? Isa, ilapit ka naman.
Ayoko agawin ko yung microphone eh.
Sabi niya, tapusin mo na.
Shy lang yan.
Sometimes I get lonely, and all I do is think of you.
Woo! O yung gitarista, ano, punasan yung pinapawisan.
Pinapawisan yung gitar.
Yung gitarista, pinapawisan. Wala rin ba magpupunas? Oo. Dati. Wait, wala magpupunas?
Uy, yung guitarist ko, pagod.
Guys, magpahinga yung gitarista.
Uy, ilabas na ngayon kasi. CD.
Turn on yun na yun.
Sapa. Yung madali lang.
Parang tatas yan eh.
Di ba parang uminit? Hirap, no? Hirap. Si Orbel.
Sa fourth pa daw. Shit, saan mo yung ginagawa niya? Sila dapat hindi
Uy, palakpak naman dyan. Tama. Tama na.
Director eh.
O, yung gitarista, palakpakan niyo.
Lahat malataas.
Guys, walang practice yan, ah.
Pianist siya mo.
Kinakaroon niya na yan. Ni Alvin. Woo! Na-conscious, oh.
May request ba kayo? No! Hindi nga makagawa ng kante. Yung request na hindi ba ko iman lang. Yung intro lang. Yung madali lang. Si Kirsten, may guest performer eh.
Ay, may guest performer. Si Pink. Crazy for you, si Pink. Ay, buka.
Ano ba yung Madonna na yan?
Cindy Lauper, ano ba?
Crazy for you. Madali lang to.
Kirsten. AG, dapat ano, si Seth yung kaduet mo.
Seth, tara.
Manager ko tawagin ko. Oo. Ayoko, walang string.
Ay,
Hindi naman bali.
Hindi na bali.
guys.
Si Tony. Piano yan. Kaso mga alam, mga Mozart.
classico. Uy, pahinga muna yung gitarista. Lakas naman, AG. Woo! Uy, palakpak nga dyan. Palakpak pa, lakas. O, tama na.
O, katalat!
Katalat! True. I never wanted anyone like this. It's so random. Seeing my kiss. I'm crazy for you. Woo!
Crazy for you, baby. I'm crazy for you. Crazy for you, baby. Trying hard to control my heart. I walk over to where you are. Asking why we need no words at all. Slowly I will begin to lose.
Woo!
You are standing still in time. It'd be real.
Oh, kanta.
I'm crazy for you. Touch me once and you know it's true. I never wanted anyone like this. You're so brand new. You feel it in my kiss because I'm crazy for you. Touch me once and you know it's true. I never wanted anyone like this. It's so brand new. I'm crazy for you. Crazy